If you've got the Chase Sapphire Preferred, or you're thinking about getting it, you're in for a treat, especially with its welcome bonus of 100,000 points after spending $5,000 in the first 3 months. Now you might be wondering, how do I get the most out of these points? Let me break it down for you. Sure, you can cash out your points for $1,000 or get a little extra by booking through the Chase Travel portal for $1,250. But if you transfer those points to Chase travel partners like World of Hyatt or airlines such as Air France, this is where the magic happens. You can book luxury hotel stays or business class flights for way fewer points than their cash price, sometimes getting over 4 cents per point in value. So you can imagine what you can experience turning your sign-up bonus into a fancy hotel stay or a dream flight. But it's not just about the points, as the card comes with some other sweet perks like a $50 hotel credit every year, free Dash Pass for food delivery, and solid travel protections like rental car insurance and trip cancellation coverage. Plus, you earn bonus points on travel, dining, streaming, and online groceries, which adds up fast. So, to really maximize your Chase Sapphire Preferred, focus on transferring points to travel partners. Plus, use the credits and protections, and keep an eye out for extra deals in your account. And if you do this, you'll be turning your points into unforgettable trips and crazy savings all year long. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.